Hello, 4th grade. This is your WES Home Learning Plan tutorial. Your home learning plan is 2 pages long. You can find the subjects on the left-hand side. We are going to go over 1 full day of online learning so you can see what it looks like. Starting with reading, you are going to read the story Riding Freedom, and it's on page 472. When you click the link, it'll take you to your Journeys book. Enter the book, and at the top, you will click and type in the page number 472 and press enter. This will take you to your story. You also have audio buttons here to where it will read the story to you. You will also review the vocabulary words for the story that are found in your book. Then, throughout the week, you can read a book of your choice and take an AR test when you're ready. Click the blue link and it will send you to this Renaissance site where you will click I am a student and log in. If you do not know your username or login for this site or any of the sites you need, please contact your teacher on ClassDojo or through email. For grammar and writing, you're learning adjectives, and you will click the link that will take you to a YouTube video to learn more about them. Next is math. You will be completing Chapter 6, Lesson 1. You will scroll down to Chapter 6, click it, and then Lesson 6.1, and this will take you to your Go Math lesson. Then you will practice page 331. This will take you to your Go Math student book. At the top, you will type in the page number 331 and press enter. You do not need to print out the worksheets assigned to you during this time. All you need is a piece of paper and a pencil at home to write down your answers. For Science, Social Studies, and Health, you are watching a video and reviewing vocabulary on energy and matter. Click the link and it will take you to your Scholastics page. PE, music, and art, you can choose an activity of your choice to do during these times. For enrichment and learning support, you have Prodigy, Edmentum, and Reflex. The logins can be found with your teacher if you don't already know them. Remember, these home learning plans can be found on your class story, your Weirton Elementary Facebook page, and the Weirton Elementary School website.